Okay, so we are installing Nagios on Ubuntu. First step is downloading this Ubuntu file, which is located in the model. And then you extract it with 7-zip, okay? So that I extracted this file. So again, you go to File, Open, and then where the file is located is under my desktop, is here. Then you run your Ubuntu. Either if you have um, Ubuntu from previous class, you can use that Ubuntu, uh, but I'm just using a fresh one. And I'm going to tell you that how you can also enable SSH here. So this password of this Ubuntu is Ubuntu. Okay, then I am in. So one thing that I want to do here, I want to enable SSH. So sudo -s, then you can do apt-get install open SSH-server. So by default on this version that I am using is enable. Okay. So what I'm gonna do on my Windows, I am doing like that. SSH to the Ubuntu @ what is the IP address here? If config is 192.168.199.137. 192.168.199.137. And then yes, the password also is Ubuntu in this version. Sudo -s, so that's my Windows. Now I have connected to this Ubuntu, so then you don't need to when you're copying some commands, you don't need to copy it on this terminal. So you can copy it here directly. It helps you to copy paste the commands better because there are many steps here. And I am starting this document that is here that I put it for you. So also I'm bringing to the other screen. So also you can go to the support of Nagios. And where is that? Find that one. So I'm just closing this one. So paste it here. So that's Nagios installation process. So this is also my terminal. I can clear my screen. Yeah, that's better. So it is written here that, okay, if you're using SE Linux, that's not us. You're using version 20, this one, Ubuntu version 20. And it's saying that you should update it and then do the next command. So I'm going to update first. And then I do this command, which is installing some packages for wget on zip apache. You see that? Most of the common packages. So paste that packages here and it will install these packages. Next step, copy this one, paste it again here. But we should wait until the previous step finish. Okay, then next step, yes, we want to continue. Okay, then we should go to the temp folder and download this package. Okay, so I type that step, yes. It's very easy step. CD / temp, and then paste that wget. Let's see. So that one received the Nagios package. So then you tar it. That means that you extract that package. Extract that package. Okay, it is under temp folder. Then you go under temp Nagios and you configure that one, or you run the binary file. So that's this folder.
Chinga.
That's folder, and then you configure this one. So here at this step is saying that you see that the HTML URL is localhost / Nagios, and that's your CGI URL. So I'm gonna make all to make it all. So then it will run that binary and configure the binary that we had. Next step, creating user. So we're gonna create a user group, and the user that we are having here, we're changing the group name Nagios under www data. Okay. Okay. So sudo make install group users. And then user mod, this one, Nagios data. I'm changing that group under this folder. And then install binary, make install. You can do make install. And here is asking you install the service or daemon. So you can do that one, daemon init. So then you install a command mode. Okay, that's the command mode. And install the sample configuration file. By default, doesn't have a configuration file. So then you install sample configuration file. And then Apache, install Apache config file. And then enable rewrite module. And enable CGI module. Then allow the firewall. If you don't have a firewall, is disabled here. I don't know. Well, anyway, do this part. And also reload that firewall because Ubuntu's firewall by default is disabled. And then here you create a user Nagios admin and the password. You set the password. Okay. And start the Apache. So our case is this one, systemctl. You can do also system that service Apache to restart. And then here we should start Nagios. And then it's asking you now running the FQDN to see that it's working or not. But wait, installing the plugins. So I'm gonna install the plugins also. Prerequisites is here. Oh, you see that the process ID, we should kill that process ID, kill /914. 484. And then run this one again. If something happens that you have conflict between process, you should kill that process. Then again, cd temp, this file, then tar it, tar extracted. And then you go to this folder, this tool, okay? And then you configure it. Then make and make install. Make. And did I make? Yeah. And then make install. Okay. So the I'm saying the password. The user, the IP address was here. Ubuntu. The IP address was 192.168.199.137. So let's open it. HTTP 192.168.199.137/Nagios. User was Nagios admin, and I set the password, my own password. So this is the login page of Nagios. And here is saying that, okay, check that your Nagios also is working properly, like a start. And you can check the status with this command. Is running or not? Is running now. Okay. So that's it. And that's your configuration for Nagios. This is like homepage of the Nagios. What we are doing like during this course, we are adding some host here, like host or devices. By default, your local host, you see that ping is okay. And that's first installation that you need for this part. After that, we're going to add more hosts, and you can see a lot of things here listed under host.